balcony. Tapos dito lang namin yung swimming pool. Ay, ayaw ko na may swimming pool at kahirap-hirap mag-painting. Bro, I'm here! Dito, nagtanim ako dati ng okra. Nagtapon lang si Papa dyan ng okra. Tapos, yung pagtapon ni Papa ng okra,
Nagtubo.
tumubo. Tapos, sinahabis namin, nakatira lang dito. Tapos, ito yung cistern, yung ipunan ng tubig. Yan, ganyan kalaki. It's called cistern. Ayan. Susukatin. Pag sinusukat natin, ay, ang dami yung sukat na lang magsukat. Punta na tayo sa bahay. Baba. Yun yung guest house. Dito talaga namin ilalagay yung aming main house. Pero wala pa kaming tira. Ginagawa namin Airbnb yung guest house kapag wala kami dito. Dito kailangan mag-ingat ka pababa kasi kung hindi, gugulong ka. Pado. Yung kapitbahay namin na taga dyan, taga Canada naman. So napunta lang sila dito per time. So ngayon wala sila, pero mamaya pupunta kami dun kasi mangunguha kami mangga. Kaibigan namin na. Kasi we look out for each other. Ari ay, malunggay. Oh, ito. Yan. Ay, madali naman kasi. Kahit nga sanga, madaling tumubo. Bayabas. May tinanim dito si Paeng na buko. Ay, hindi tumubo. Ayun pala. Ano yung damo? Hindi naman kasi so, meron kami kaibigan. Ang pangalan niya ay si Mr. Jerry. Naging kaibigan namin siya. Mamaya andito siya. Mag-dinner kami. Siya ay dating senator. Tapos napakabait niya. Tapos yung kanyang property dito, meron siyang buko at saka sampalok. Hindi niya kinakain. So, pag nandito kami, punta kami dun sa kanila, pengi kaming buko. So, nibigyan niya kaming buko ng taga-kuha si Paeng. Tsaka si Kuya Kut. Oh, tsaka sampalok. Tapos niluluto ko yung sampalok. Mamaya. So, you have to be careful walking in here. That's my brother. I don't know if you can see. Yes! Now it's... Look. Come here. Ta-da!
Oh yeah.
It's ripe. And here's my... Guyabana. Soursop in English. Somebody eat this. Oh my goodness. Another soursop tree.
Yeah, that's on there.
So this is what I'm saying. The passion fruit. I think it's dead. Some of it are dead. Look at that. Passion fruit.
Yeah.
Look at that. Guys, the pineapple. Woohoo! My husband and my brother washed the chair because it has bird poop. I need a machete to cut this because it's so hard to walk. It's overcast. So here's my atis. It's what's atis in English? Sugar apple. It's been how many years? 5 or 6 years since I planted that. Our malunggay. My papa planted this, and look how big it is right now. Alam ko nakakain to pero hindi ko alam kung paano lutuin. Oh. Lucky! And this, my papa planted this. Ano ang tawag dito sa English? Lemongrass? Sa Tagalog? Tanglad. This, you see, this is aloe vera. It's plenty. Okay, here's my brother. And then, my husband planted this Spanish oregano. But we call that oregano in the Philippines. Ano ba tawag natin sa Philippines? And then my husband planted this. My papa. Oh, this is the one that they called Spanish oregano or no? Oh, this is the one that they called here oregano. But
It's oregano.
yeah, this one is need to trim too, right? This one, don't trim this. Papa said when it overgrown, ano ba yun? Tumaas. Lintik, ang hirap mag-English.
When it gets
So that's it for today.